just explode. I want a baked potato. Man, it sounds so delicious. I want a baked potato now, not in an hour, please. I want a baked potato, but it's gonna be an hour. Can someone explain that? It takes 15 minutes in the microwave, but an hour in the oven, and it takes way more delicious in the oven. I want a baked potato. Friggin' slather that bitch in butter, so delicious. I don't have any cheese. That makes me sad, I need to sneeze. I'm trying to rhyme and that ain't cool. But you know what? Baked potatoes make me drool. I want a baked potato. Baked motherfucking potato. Potato, potato. Poke it, potato. Butter, and the salt. Oven, an hour. I'm gonna kill myself. I am starving. And that's my TV bin. Means my water's hot. And I can have delicious raspberry tea. And wait an hour for my goddamn baked potato. You know what's really great? When your tea bag fucking breaks and you've got floaties at the bottom of your cup. It's still fucking hot, so I can't drink it. I'll just lick it like a dog. Wait, it'll still burn my tongue. Sniffing raspberry white tea is the greatest thing to me. But fuck, I could use a real big baked potato. It's fogging up my face. Can you see it? Wipes grace. Ooh, it's steaming. Now let's see what it can